The Poo Files.
Poo Files open.
Lizards. They're particularly partial to soaking in warm water. They're also partial to pooping while they soak. Why? The warm water stimulates their bowels. Well, not in my bath, you don't. Get out of it!
Fart facts.
Cockroaches. These freaks of nature can hold their breath for 40 minutes. Unfortunately, they can't hold in their farts. Cockroaches fart more in 1 year than their actual weight. They can produce 35 grams of methane gas a year, which is about 45 times their body weight. Oh, wild skills. In South Korea, there was a theme park completely dedicated to poo. True or false? Place your bets.
Historical nuggets.
Ancient Rome. The people who lived there were extremely spiritual. They worshipped a sewer goddess, a toilet god, and a god of excrement. The gods were said to hang out in public latrines. They also believed that excrement was the food of the dead. I don't want to die! Was there a theme park dedicated to poo in South Korea? Affirmative. It was called Poo Poo Land, a celebration of human digestion, including poos, toilets and farts. I believe it to be my spiritual homeland. Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files closed.